Hi friends, welcome back again. It's your girl Choice Kitchen. Merry Christmas to you all. If it's your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking vegetable banga soup. Let's get started. To begin with, I'm just going to add my goat meat and oxtail to the pot. And next, I'm going to add onion, salt, seasoning cube, and now set it to boil. So guys, if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to put on the lid and let it to simmer for 5 minutes, and then I'll go in with plain water. I'll cover it to cook until the meat is tender. When the meat is tender, you want to go in with your plain pot and add your banga. We call it banga. The Nigerian call it banga, or you can call it palm nut cream. So the palm nut cream is boiling. I'm going to go in with onion, and I'm going to go in with ogiri, that is a native spices. So I'm going to leave it to boil. Like as I said, we don't cover our banga soup when we are cooking, otherwise it's not going to be thicker quick. So I've just added pepper and I will stir it and leave it to cook for 20 minutes, and I'll go in with the next ingredients. Keep watching, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So as you can see, I'm just going in with my meat. So guys, after the soup has boiled for 5 minutes, I'll go in with my fish. I'll combine the fish and the soup together. So next, I'll be going in with my seasoning cube and salt to taste. Next, I'll go in with my pumpkin leaves, or you can call it ugu leaves. Add as much as you want, and then stir together. Last but not the least, you want to go in with your fresh prawns. As you can see, I didn't add dry crayfish because I know I will be adding fresh crayfish, so that was the reason why I didn't add dry crayfish. So as you can see, I've just gone with my fresh crayfish or fresh prawns. So leave that to cook for 3 minutes and the soup is ready. Here are the display on how I serve the soup before I ate my delicious vegetable banga soup. If you have watched up to this point, I say a big thank you, and have a massive, amazing Christmas and Happy New Year. If it's your first time, subscribe, like the video, very important to my channel, and stay connected. Bye bye.